everyone. Welcome to another video. It's gonna be Plants vs Zombies. I already did a recording, but my mic wasn't fully plugged in, so we're gonna make sure to not make that mistake. So we're gonna do what we did last time in my other recording. I'm not gonna post that video because, well, duh, it was a failure and I wasn't talking. But just remember, if there's any errors that are happening, like you can't hear me, let's say, like can't hear the game or anything, tell me, and I will get that fixed. Do not be scared to tell me if something is not working. It's like, if you say like something sucks, that will make me mad. Just tell me that something's wrong and like something's not working. Cause some people do that to me, like, dude, quality sucks, or dude, your like capture sucks, or something like that. Like, I don't want that. I just want you to guys tell me if something's not working right. Like, if you guys think the quality is a little smudgy on like the edge of stuff, I thought I saw that at first, but it was just because the certain device I was on. But if you guys did not see that other video, go check that other video out. It was when I was playing with Cult Guy, because he came to my house and everything. And I want you guys to go check that video out. That's the first video I did with my Elgato. If you guys haven't heard that, I got an Elgato. Oh my god, I need to get this guy. Oh my god. The guy go. I knew he. Oh, wow. That scared me just a little. Okay, come on. You got this. Come on. Come on. Come on. Yes. Okay, got him. Come on, teammate. Got this. Damn, football guy got him. No, I got you. I got you. I will revive you. Come on, Cactus. I mean, Chomper. Oh my god, I was so close to get that guy. By the way, if my mic like goes out at certain times, sorry. I'll be like checking it every few times I die. They're not gonna get me. There's only like one of them. Darn it. Okay, that's fine. Let's get this started and look at it. By the way, I have Sony Vegas now, and I can have my own intros now. I'm so happy now because if you guys wanted intros for a while, I can do that now. So, if you guys have not subscribed yet, remember to subscribe. That's all I have to say. And like the video if you had a laugh. And all that. It sounds like I'm like ending the video right here, but I'm not. But if you guys want an Elgato. So yeah, if you guys want Elgato, I'll put the link in the description where the main website was. And if you guys do not know, like, if like, wait, why can I not go to the main where do I go to download the software onto my computer to make it so I can see the screen off of the computer like your Xbox One? I'm not gonna do a how-to video to it. Just like, you guys, all you have to really do is simple. Get your Elgato, get the Xbox One HDMI if that's what you're recording with. Get your Xbox One HDMI, plug it into the Elgato, and then get the computer HDMI. No, it's not the computer HDMI. It's just like there'll be wires with it, and yeah. And if you're like wondering like where's the recording thing, like why is it not on there, all you have to do is like I'll put the link in the description to go to their main website, and it'll like say download it on that, and you just hit download, and then it'll go on your software, like it'll be on your desktop, and all you have to do is go to your desktop, click on it, and then like your whatever's on your Xbox One will be on your computer screen, I should say. By the way, guys, if you want more of this, smack that like button. I'm gonna go for 5 likes. If you guys want me to do another video of Plants vs. Zombies. If you guys just whatever game you want on Xbox One, I'll play. God, I really want to check my mic just in case, but I can't because I'm gonna probably die while in doing it. Okay, I died, so I'm gonna check it. Okay, it's good. Cause a lot of times, like my mic when I'm talking on PC for Skype, oh, we won. Okay. Last one I was did 2 matches. So, oh, I thought it said we won. I feel stupid now. Yeah, I got 8. Did I get any metal things? There's average. I have 13. I'm not gonna. I might save up for the Supreme Pack again, or get the Spectacular. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna probably get some like intros. It's gonna like I'm gonna add some like dubstep into it. It's gonna be cool. Like I got Sony Vegas, and by the way, I got this from Ali A. He has Elgato and he has Sony Vegas. Like I had to watch his video every time to see what to do and what website to go to get it. So I think this is gonna be the last video that I put the link in the description because I don't want to go all crazy and like, well, I can do that. Like I can put how I record and then put like the link to the Elgato and like what software I use. I'm gonna put the Sony Vegas, and then what headset I use and what game I'm playing. Maybe I can put a link. I don't know. I'm not sure about the game. Probably just like how I record, what software I use to edit the videos, and then like post it on YouTube. Then maybe like a link to go to directly to my channel to subscribe. I think I'm gonna get the zombies this time. So some zombies action. I actually really want a future soldier. Boom. Actually, wait, no. I have a different foot soldier. Boop, 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 boop. That's a skip star. YOLO. Wait, I'm gonna customize it. I can actually. Because this one's like a tank, I think. Some kind of tank. I think it's called Tank Commander. Where's them plants? I found all of our zombie friends. Oh, Chomper. Yellow. Oh god! Plants are in here, I know. What, where are they? Oh. Oh, they're coming from the other side. Sad that I can't get them. It's the enemies. Where's the plants? They're not that much on the plant side or something? Oh my god, kill it. Come on. Oh my god, I killed him. Oh my god. Wow. The fire cactus killed me. Okay. I think after this match, I'm going to end the video. Probably could do that. But, if you guys want some Plants vs. Zombies, leave a like. Comment down below if you guys, what, game I should play with some friends. Should I have Watch Dogs if you guys want me to play that some. I have many games on the Xbox One, actually. Oh my god. Chomper. Okay, we got him. Oh! Bad timing. Hiya. Hiya. Oh, plane went down here. Oh my god. Oh my god. No, you're not killing me. You're killing me. Okay. I'm unrevivable. I'm probably gonna use different foots. You stupid scientist, I could have got him. Oh my god. 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 There's another one. Or not. Oh no. Got it. Oh my god, I was surprised I was surviving all that. Oh, what? I thought I killed him. I think I did. It's just that was the other one. Yes, revive me! Revive me, friend! Hey, friends. Hayuken! Okay, not going all that. Oh, God! I really want that guy. I want that guy or the Commando P. Revives me. Oh, come on! Yes, yes. Yeah, buddy. Come on. Oh, damn clutch skills. Damn clutch skills. Wow! I did it. No, I killed him. What? You gotta be kidding me. Yeah, I'm gonna just spawn. Ooh, we might win. But the plants might come in. Come on, guys. We need to get in. We need to catch up. No scope. Oh no, 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 no. No, 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 no. Come on, get G-Slime. Oh my god! I hit Y! Oh my god. Wow, that happened again. 50 to 49. Oh my god. Okay, guys, that'll be the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I did. It was pretty fun. I never made a video on Plants vs. Zombies. And I hope you guys enjoyed. So remember to subscribe, like, and I will see you guys in the next video.